Very good morning. 10th standard English medium science. Okay, biology audio notes we already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about physics. Okay, in physics, periodic property. Sorry, in chemistry, periodic properties of elements. Now we are going to discuss. Then one more questions, two more questions. One by one, we have to discuss. First of all, define Dovener's law of triads. Triads were written in the order of increasing atomic masses. The atomic masses of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic masses of the other two elements. Okay, middle element if we consider as a B, first element as a A, and third element as a C, then A plus C divided by 2, whatever the average of first and third element is equal to middle element, that's a B. Then define the Mendeleev's law of periodic table. The properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. Define modern periodic law. The properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. What are periods and groups? In periodic table, the horizontal rows are called periods and the vertical columns are called groups. Okay, then 7 periods are there and 18 groups are there in our modern periodic table. Name the group of halogens, give example. Name the group of halogens, give example. Okay, then 18 group, example helium, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are all called as a halogens. Okay, 18th group elements are called as a halogens. What are the Oh, they made a mistake. These are inert gases. 18th group elements. Okay, at the time of I think printing, they made a mistake. 18th group elements are called as the inert gases or octates or noble gases. 17th group elements are there. Okay, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all valence is same. Okay, 17th group elements are called as a halogens. Example chlorine, bromine, iodine, these things. Okay, by mistake they given here. What are the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table? No fixed position can be given to hydrogen in periodic table. Isotopes of all elements posed a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic law because it is prepared with the help of atomic masses, not prepared with the help of atomic number. That's why it's what demerit of Mendeleev's periodic table. What are the limitations of Newland's law of octates? It is applicable only up to calcium. Which one? Newland's law of octets. After new element discovery whose properties did not fit into the law of octets, in order to fit elements into the table, Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot. These are the what limitations of Newland's law of octets. Then what are metalloids? Give example. Some elements shows characters of both metals as well as non-metals. Those are called as a metalloids. Example, what? Silicon and germanium. Okay, silicon and germanium also called as a semiconductor also. Explain thus what specialty of 18th group elements. Give example. 18th group elements are called noble gases. They are very less reactive and zero valency. Okay, they are octets also. Example helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Define atomic radius, the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of an isolated atom. It is called as the atomic radius. Ionization energy. Okay, energy required to remove a single electron from the outermost shell of an isolated atom. It is called as a ionization energy. In Dovner's triad, atomic mass of B and C is what 150 and 200 respectively. Then calculate the atomic mass of A. Okay, a little bit tricky question. A question mark, B 150, C 200. Then A plus C divided by 2 is equal to B is the answer. But here we what want to find out A. That's A plus 200 divided by 2 is equal to 150. That's why what A plus 200 is equal to 150 into 2. Then A plus 200 is equal to 300. Then A is equal to 300. This goes to that side means okay, left side to right side means it turns into minus. That's a 300 minus 200. Okay, A is 100. Then A is 100 means C is a 200. 100, 200, 300. 300 of 150. The atomic mass of A is 100. Okay, maybe you understood. How the following trends change to modern periodic table when move along the period and down the group. Okay, atomic radius along the period decreases, down the group atomic radius increases because the orbits are increases. Ionization energy along the period increases, down the group decreases. Then metallic property, okay, along the period decreases left to right, then down to group from top to bottom it increases. Which one? Metallic property. The non-metallic property along the period increases, then down to group decreases. Okay, whatever the uppermost elements are there, carbon, nitrogen, these are what? Highly non-metallic. Then electropositivity along the period decreases because metals are in left side. Okay, when we are moving towards left to right means atomic what electropositivity decreases, then down the group increases, electropositivity decreases. Then electronegativity along the period increases, down the group decreases, down the group decreases. Okay, now up to now what we discussed, classification of elements, our periodic table we discussed. Okay, hopefully these audio notes are helpful for you. Share to your friends. Thank you. Thank you.